Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to a video where you're not going to see an awful lot of faults. In fact, you're only going to see one. It's a serious fault and it's towards the end, so I'm going to fast forward most of this. There's three minors. I can't even remember where they were, so that's why you're not going to see any of them. But the one serious fault was coming out of a car park towards the end of the test. So I'm going to do some serious fast forward of the video so that this whole thing's only maybe 5 minutes or so for you to watch, and hopefully it will save you having to skip through it. So as always, leave us a little comment, let us know what you think. Would you have done things differently? Would you have done it the same? Has it helped you in any way? Hopefully avoid making the same mistake. Okay, let's get stuck right in. So the first thing that you're going to see here is the way they dealt with this right turn. They done it well, so I'm going to play the way exactly that they've done it. They'll get the green light, they're the front of the queue, they enter forward, not curved to the right yet at all, and once they see that they've got the chance to get out, they do it. So on to the next little bit of information here. Here they're just asked to pull up on the left in a safe space. Again, no faults here, all was fine with the move off, with the stop and the move off here. Again, pulling up on the left, just in this little space behind the car here. This would be usually what they get classed as a bit of an angle start, moving off with not a lot of room there. Again, no problems. And another wee stop on the left, this time on the hill, which is the examiner's ticking all the boxes to say that they've done their hill starts, their angle starts, but again here, no problems. One more little stop on the left, this again, no problems for the stop and no problems moving away. So they get told to pull up on into a bay forward into any bay on the left or the right. They make a decision to swing forward into a bay on the left. I really like the pace here, it's nice and slow. They're not rushing it at all. Looks like it's going to be a little bit wide on the right, and then they end up just taking it that little bit slower here. You can see that they get the car right into the middle of the bay. They get the wheels straightened up. Really nice manoeuvre that. From here they get told to leave the car parking bay and head down towards the exit. Now guys, here's the serious fault. They've been asked to turn left first exit. I'm going to try and have a look over to the roundabout. There's a black car coming out from Asda, as I've circled there. As the car gets into the position, the learner is looking to the right, their immediate right, but what they're not doing is taking account into what's happening over there. They get an opportunity to make a move after a white car passes them on the right. It's safe, but look at that black car coming round. There they get told to stop. The examiner had noticed a car coming, and that was their serious fault. So guys, just to sum up, when you're looking to your immediate right, do not forget to have a look across the roundabout to see if there is anything that might be coming round, and you'd have to give way to them as well. Thanks guys, see you next time.